Now, the Salaries and Remuneration Commission says that the proposals of members of Parliament to have higher benefits will only add to the burdened taxpayers' load. The SRC says implementing the proposed changes to the allowances that MPs are currently enjoying runs the risk of setting a further unsustainable precedent for public servants.
Notice published on 7th July 2017, the then SRC chair, Sarah Serem, broke down the allowances, benefits and remuneration for state officials, as well as legislators, in both the National Assembly and the Senate.
You go to seek for medical services in a hospital, they will keep you waiting for 15 minutes, for 20 minutes, making calls.
But in the last week, members have met to review the perks that come with the salaries, a move that the SRC believes will be a further burden to the taxpayer. SRC states that MPs are already entitled to car, travel and mileage allowances, which the Commission bases on the recommendations from the Automobile Association of Kenya. The average running cost of a 3,000cc 4x4 vehicle, which costs 7.5 million shillings, is 82 shillings and 5 cents per kilometre. If the new proposals pass, SRC fears that other state and public offices will expect the same, blowing up the bills for Wanjiko.
Mr. Speaker, I think you should allow us.
The SRC also states that the Parliamentary Service Commission is expected to manage the car loans and mortgages within the set thresholds of 20 million shillings for mortgages and 7 million for car loans. This is subject to the ability of a state officer to pay through monthly deductions from their payslip within the contract period. By passing the bill, in MPs awarding themselves mortgage without due consideration of ability to pay, and which will also be demanded by other state officers and all other public officers.
Then the House will obviously...
The National Assembly has proposed to have more than one spouse and above 4 children as part of the medical cover, but the SRC, in refusing this proposal, states that the current status quo is in line with benefit provided to all state officers and other public officers. If the MPs have their way, it will result in spillover effect to all other state officers and public officials. The current abode that the legislators enjoy, according to the SRC, is suitable for them. By making changes, the precedent set will also prove a challenge. Leila Mohammed, NTV.